In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more employer views on Glassdoor. Visibility Hack 2026. Start by heading to glassdoor.com. Sign into your employer account so you're managing the company profile, not a candidate profile. It's quick. Enter your credentials, complete any verification if prompted, and you'll land on your community home. This is your hub, where you'll see activity, updates and shortcuts to your employer tools. From the homepage, click your profile icon in the top right to open your employer settings and profile editor. We're going to optimize the essentials so your brand shows up more often and makes a stronger impression. Begin with what I call the algorithm and search optimization. Your profile needs to be easy for people and machines to understand. In your bio and about sections, weave in the exact roles you hire for, your industry language, and culture terms candidates search for, like remote first, flexible hours, or strong L&D paths. Present key details in a clean, scannable way. Benefits, locations, and salary ranges where appropriate. So AI, answer engines, and search results can surface you when candidates ask things like best companies for parental leave. Then fully complete every visual and narrative element. Upload a crisp logo and a banner. Write a clear mission statement and craft a compelling Why Work With Us section. Completeness alone can meaningfully boost visibility. Next, activate the active employer advantage. Glassdoor promotes companies that participate. Reply to reviews promptly and professionally, including the critical ones. A calm, specific response builds trust and often changes perceptions for the better. Post regular company updates. Think milestones, events, launches, to keep your profile fresh and signal momentum. If you have an enhanced profile, pin a standout review as your hero review, so newcomers immediately see a credible snapshot of your culture. Now elevate content and trust with proof. Replace stock photos with authentic, high-resolution pictures and short videos from real teams and real moments. Encourage happy employees to share honest reviews in their own words. Time those requests around natural milestones, like after onboarding or on work anniversaries, to keep reviews steady and genuine. For 2026, spotlight growth paths. Show how people progress, learn, and move internally. If you're large, use nested profiles to separate divisions or locations so candidates find what's relevant fast. And cross-promote. Link your Glassdoor page from your career site and social channels to drive steady traffic back. Finally, make sure your profile is visible. Confirm it's set to public, key sections are published, and everything important is discoverable. Follow these steps and you'll steadily increase employer views and attract better fit candidates.